Hi, and welcome to another episode of Staying Sane with STEM.
I'm Aubrey.
And I'm Stella.
Today we're going to be making a thing called Oobleck.
Oobleck is cool because it's both a solid and a liquid. It's something called a non-Newtonian fluid.
What you'll need to make this is a bowl, some water, cornstarch, and if you want, some food coloring.
You'll need 2 parts cornstarch and 1 part water.
Just mix those together until they've combined into one liquid-looking substance, and then add your food coloring.
Like we said before, it's both liquid and a solid. So when you're not putting pressure on it, it behaves like a liquid. But as soon as you try to pick it up and try to mess with it, it becomes a solid. So you made a nice little ball, but as soon as you stop putting pressure on it, it goes back into liquid.
If you're done with your Oobleck, you can either put it in an airtight container to save for later, or you can leave it out and it'll dry up so you can throw it away. Don't pour it down the sink or it could clog the drain.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Staying Sane with STEM. Tune in next week for another awesome video.
If you try this experiment, please post it, tag us, and use #StayingSaneWithStem.